Good morning teacher, my name is Farangi Deepak and this is my maths activity. So first coming to vertically opposite angles. So as you can see here, it is a pair of perpendicular lines. So CD is passing through AB, and since they are both straight and not like rotated or some 30 degrees or something, COA is 90 degrees and BOD is 90 degrees, and these two angles are nothing but vertically opposite angles. Now, not all the vertically opposite angles always have 90 degrees. So I did this here. Suppose the CD line is rotated a little bit on from the midpoint, which is O. Since CD is the same line and since CD is the same line and it is being rotated on the midpoint, which is O, and it is being rotated clockwise, angle COB decreases and angle COA increases. So since the complete line rotates, this angle COB decreases and at the same time DOA decreases, and COA increases and DOB decreases and DOB increases. And next, coming to adjacent angles. So here understanding adjacent angles is very easy. Here we say complete like a 180 degrees angle, and if you draw a line in between an arm in between that, what happens? The angle like divides into the angle divides into two. There is the angle 180. This line is dividing them and you get two different angles. It is dividing the 180 into two parts. So if you add those two parts again, it will result in 180 degrees again. So by this we can say that sum of adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Next, sum of all four angles is 360 degrees. So take a rectangle ABCD. For it to be 360 degrees, okay, I took a simple 4 angles figure, a rectangle. Any quadrilateral, 4 angles means it's a quadrilateral, and any quadrilateral can be divided into 2 triangles, and the sum of all the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So since a quadrilateral is a figure comprising 2 triangles and sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, so 2 triangles would be 360 degrees. So by this we can say that all 4 angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So that is it for my maths activity, and thank you for watching.